Dropmock friends, happy Monday. Welcome back to another live stream. I hope you guys are having a productive Monday. Hope you guys are having a really great day. On Mondays, I usually put out a new blog post on the Dropmock blog. Usually it's every single Monday. And so today's blog post was all about the skills that you need to have to succeed in business in 2020, which is right around the corner, 5 months away. And I put the link over here in the description box so you can go and read that blog post, check out our blog if you are interested. And I decided to come on here live and also talk about the blog post with you and share exactly what those skills are that I mentioned in the blog. As you're coming on the live stream, whether you're watching live or you're watching the replay later, go on ahead and leave a 777 in the comments so I can see who's here, give you a personal shout out. And also, if you ever have any questions or comments or concerns while you're watching the live stream or you're watching the replay later, feel free to drop that into the comment area. That way we can chit chat, make this really interactive for everyone. And then I try and respond to every single comment that I get notified about. So if you leave something in the chat area, I will definitely look at it, give it a thumbs up, reply back, all that fun stuff. So I'm going to go on ahead and read this blog post to you. This is all about the skills you need to succeed in business in 2020. And I actually found this through another article online. And pretty much the World Economic Forum published this article in 2016-ish. I'm pretty sure it was 2016. And this is from the World Economic Forum. And so they published this article. However, in this article, it relates to year 2020. So pretty much they published this article in 2015, 2016. But they put in this article the skills that businesses need to have or how business runs, operates, and works in 2015, 2016, and then how they're going to have to run and function as a business, or how you as a business owner, the skills that you will need to succeed in 2020. So even though it was an older article that was published, it definitely relates to 2020, the year coming up very soon. And when you click and you go and read the blog on our Dropmock website, I linked where I found all of this information so you can go and read it for yourself and see that this definitely applies to today, even though the post is a little bit old. So this World Economic Forum published an article sharing the differences in skill set that is required between someone in business in the year 2015 compared to future year 2020. And so I'm going to go through the list of 10 skills that they say you need to have for business in 2020. All right. The first skill that they say is necessary coming up in year 2020 is complex problem solving. That is the first skill you have to have, the ability to problem solve complex things, complex problem solving. Are you able to effectively deliver solutions to complicated problems that could arise in your business? Skill number 2, critical thinking. Instead of a temporary plan, could you set yourself and your business up for long-term success with a strategy created with critical thinking? That's number 2. Number 3, creativity. And I 100% agree with this one. Creativity is crucial coming up in 2020. How is your content, products, or services going to stand out in the marketplace? Creativity is a skill that you absolutely need to have coming up for 2020. Skill number 4, people management. When it's time to hire a team, are you ready to be a leader? So people management. And if you already have a team of people, then you are well on your way. And I'd also like to know, go on ahead and leave a comment. Let me know if you have a team of people working for you. Do you have just 1 or 2 employees? Is it just yourself? Let me know in the comments. Skill number 5 that you need to succeed in business in year 2020 is the ability to coordinate with others. Can you assign and create tasks for your team and also properly communicate your thoughts to others? And that's number 5, coordinating with others. And that is one I definitely need to work on. So that's on my list of things I need to improve before January. Skill number 6, emotional intelligence. I was actually shocked that this one was on the list, you guys. Emotional intelligence. Business is stressful. Can you handle the difficulties and keep your emotions in check? Ooh, that's a good one. Skill number 7, judgment and decision making. Is logic or emotion influencing your actions? Can you make the necessary calls and be confident in it? That's skill number 7. Skill number 8, service orientation. Where's your heart and what is your why? Why are you doing what you're doing with your business? So skill number 8, service orientation. And this is one that when I read it, I at first didn't understand what they meant. So I feel like this one could go either or, either way. It could either be service orientation, like maybe your business sponsors or like gives money to a charity, or sponsors a certain event throughout the year. Oh, it's Jamie! Hello!
Hey!
Come join the live stream. This will be fun. I'm in the Drop Mock group.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm going over the blog post from today.
Hey, why don't you share that screen a little?
Okay, there you go. Yay, Jamie's here.
All right.
So when I saw this, I was realizing, does this have to do with maybe your business is sponsoring a charity or putting on an event each year? I thought that's what they originally meant by service orientation, but I guess it could also be customer service as well. Where's your heart when it comes to serving your clients, your customers, your audience? So I feel like it could go either or, and that's skill number 8 is just your service orientation.
I didn't read the blog post. What is this about?
This is about the skills you need to succeed in business in 2020.
Focus on loving your customers more than everybody else, and
that's a good one.
That's all you need.
But this is actually the World Economic Forum published this article back in 2016. And in 2016, they put the skills you need for 2015-2016 business, and then coming up for 2020, 2021, the skills you need to have for that.
Okay.
So they were comparing the two. So even though it's an older article, it still applies because it's coming back. Everyone's like, remember when they published this article?
Nice, okay.
So, now, skill number 9 is negotiation.
Wait, you already did 1 through 8?
I did.
Yeah,
I've been on here for a little while. Skill number 9 is negotiation. Could you make a deal or pitch an idea? Actually, something fun. I've been practicing my elevator pitch in the morning, like in the mirror each day. It's actually a lot of fun. No, I'm not doing that.
Oh, come on.
No. But
you have to now.
No, absolutely not. But let me explain what an elevator...
All right, we're all logging off. I'm leaving. No, do it real quick.
No, I don't want to.
Why not?
Because it's not Drop Mock related. But
it doesn't matter. It's okay.
An elevator pitch, let me just explain what it is really quick. It's pretty much, an elevator ride is super quick to the next floor. And let's say Jamie Oler is in the elevator with you, or Mark Cuban, or Grant Cardone, and they ask you, so what do you do?
I love that you put me on that level. That's good. That's a good daughter.
Yeah. So if they ask you, what do you do? What's your business? Anything like that. Can you pitch it to them and have them comprehend who you are and what you do on that elevator ride?
What is the girl that you like? Hollis.
Rachel Hollis.
All right.
Yes.
You are in an elevator with Hollis at that event you want to go to in October.
Stop putting me on the
What
spot.
is the elevator pitch? Well, hi, Madison. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Hi.
What do you do?
Well, she wouldn't know my name.
Yes, she would.
I doubt
You
it.
should be like, you're the Madison Green I always see on the... What do you do?
I'm a certified life coach for everyday women, helping them pursue their goals and live their life to its fullest. I create online content through social media, videos, posts, and I also put on live speaking events / engagements.
Would you like me to come to one of those and speak?
That's kind of how I do it, but I do it with a lot more authority and confidence.
That's pretty good, though.
Yeah, so that's kind of how I do it. And it's actually fun to practice because you never know when it's going to happen. So that's number 9, negotiation. And then skill number 10, this is the last one. And this one, I don't know why it's on the list, but they probably know more than I do. Skill number 10 is cognitive function. How well do you work when the stakes are high? So pretty much just how does your brain
when I
work? Can you do all the things?
Yeah.
But you guys, of all of these 10 skills listed out, Which one do you need to improve upon before the new year comes about? Let me know in the comments over here. And you can also share this live stream or share that blog post, on your social media. Let other people know about these skills to succeed in business in 2020. Going back over them, we said complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, people management, coordinating with others, emotional intelligence, judgment and decision making, service orientation, negotiation, and the cognitive function.
Is that the order they have them in as well?
Yeah.
Because I would take number 8. I think it was number 8.
Yeah, I just
service orientation. I would put that all the way at the top.
Yeah, I think they have it in order of what they think is most important. But looking at this list, the ones I feel like I really need to improve upon the most would be people management and coordinating with others. So those would be my 2 biggest ones: skill 4 and skill 5.
You had a not a business, but a life lesson in people management on Saturday.
I did, yes. So pretty much on Saturday, y'all, we went to Charlotte. Y'all.
Hey, y'all.
I hang around my husband.
What are y'all up to?
On Saturday, we went with some friends to Charlottesville for the day. And
y'all went with some friends?
Y'all went with some friends. And so we spent the day there, and people were definitely getting on my nerves. And
Madison realized how much control she has on people and managing the emotional state of everybody around her.
See, I was in a negative state of mind on Saturday, and so I was affecting the people around me. And then literally...
That's where they left her.
No, I left them. Here's the deal. I will put people in their place. I am not afraid to speak my mind. My husband hates it when I do that, but he's just going to have to get used to it. And so we were with this other guy, and yeah, I know, guys want to be leaders, but women can be leaders too.
Absolutely, I agree.
And this guy that we were hanging out with, he was like, we're going to go and hang out with one of my other friends, even though we're in Charlottesville hanging out with you guys, we're going to go hang out with my other friends too. And I was like, well, I don't know about anybody else, but I sure as bleep did not come all the way to Charlottesville to go see those other friends. And
did you cuss?
Yes, I did. And then I pulled my husband away, and we left the group. And that was not the best way to deal with the situation.
It wasn't.
But I spoke my mind, which everyone should definitely have the confidence to do so.
Okay,
and that's how I was feeling. However, later, after I had collected my emotions, and I was like, my husband kind of put me in my place, don't talk to people like that. Then I came back, and the day turned out beautifully, all because I corrected my mind, corrected my emotions, and was able to communicate with people effectively. So that was my little life lesson.
That's good, but you can have those, you can control a situation. I don't want to use the word control, but you can manage a situation like that in a way that you don't have to be angry and cussing at the people. You can have a very positive impact, get your point across without the anger and cussing.
Yeah. So I'm still learning, you guys. That's my youth showing right there.
First of all, you don't need to use the cuss word. I think what's interesting about Madison right now is she's 18 and married, so she's doing stuff that like the cussing and the
tread carefully here.
Well, you're using words that you weren't brought up to use.
I guess.
Have you ever heard me use a cuss word?
Rarely, ever.
Yeah.
My mom uses them more than you.
Well, yeah, but she very seldom, but she does. She'll throw something out there every now and then.
But yeah, that was a little life lesson.
Yeah, but it's usually because you.
What in the world? We don't need those skills. A skill that does not need to be practiced.
Oh my gosh!
Hi, Robert. Thanks for joining us.
It is hot. Why are you out here doing a live?
Mainly because I refused to go inside until 4.
Why?
Because I said I was going to do all of my work outside today. And so I'm like, my sweat is leaking out of my armpits at this point.
You are disgusting.
But yeah, I'm trying to make it till 4. But we'll see.
That is so. That's hilarious. You did that. Did you stream in the other? Don't say the name because I haven't let everybody know.
I
yet.
have not yet. I have to go there.
All right. Do you want me to go with you?
Yeah, you can go.
We'll do it on your channel though.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
We'll be letting you guys know soon.
Oh yeah, we have a little secret. And so yeah, I'm excited to let you know this little secret that we have coming your way.
Robert,
She's been
you stop instigating.
That is exactly it, Robert. Like, I'm at this point where I'm just like, he loves me either way. We good. We're fine. But I also
We good and you all. Y'all.
Stop me. Stop it. But yeah,
It's
true.
the heat. It's getting to me.
Oh, is it? Are you
Yeah.
sweating already?
I'm definitely sweating.
Oh, Chris is gonna have a hard time mowing the lawn. I feel like he's gonna be sweating buckets.
Yeah, so Jesse's been sick for over a week now. We took him to the
Like
doctor on Friday.
really, really sick. you
And
guys.
he's down again today. Like he's very proud of his lawn. He loves his lawn. And he's been sick and he's like, we gotta get the lawn done, Dad. And ever since I turned it over to him, I pay him $20 a week to do the lawn. I don't do it anymore. And I wasn't being talked into doing the lawn again. So CRG decided he would do it.
Yep. So he's been mowing the
He
lawn.
actually
for
came
them.
over in his cowboy boots and did the lawn yesterday.
They're supposed to be work. Like cowboy boots are work boots. So they're both.
You don't cut the grass in cowboy boots.
I'm sure people on ranches do that all the time.
All right.
They go out in the fields with their boots on all
You
the
think
time.
so?
Yeah. He just he uses his for like dressing up too.
Yeah, he
I'm
does.
sure they usually have like work boots and then a nice pair, but to
Okay.
each their own, to each their own. All right, you guys. Well, that was the little chit chat that I had for you guys today. If you are just jumping on now and you missed us talking about the skills to succeed in 2020, you can just click the blog post right there in the description box. Go and read it. Let me know what you think. You are both lucky to have this relationship and time together. Aw, thank you, Robert.
Oh, well, I'm still mad at you for instigating.
Gotta be confident. Just go for it. Yeah, but you guys definitely check out that blog post. Let us know what you think, what skill you need to work
Did you
on.
just post it today?
Yep.
Okay.
Came out just today.
Yeah, I
so
haven't read it
brand new.
yet. So.
I told them at the beginning, I try and always put out a blog post on Mondays.
Okay.
So that's always like my goal. Monday blog post.
Beautiful.
Any last minute thoughts?
No, I actually just came out to see. I just got back, guys. I came out to see what's going on, and you were live. So.
Okay.
All
right, you guys. Well, have a great rest of your day, and we will talk to you again tomorrow.
Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys at 7 tonight too.
Yep. See
See
you
ya.
at 10. Bye.